getting bitten.
Oh, never mind.
He's dead.
I stand corrected.
We just want to oops all false.
No. I'm just thinking, like, what are some funny hijinks we can get into? So what's the one creature that's gonna spawn? Oh, it's mushrooms.
No. Oh no!
It's gonna hurt you.
No, get the
Ow, dog.
No, restart the run, restart it.
Spawn on drones and shoot him.
Kill me! Ow!
Yeah, let's try, let's try that again. We'll just see how hectic it gets, and if it gets too hectic, then we can back out.
Oh my god.
No!
Not the
Oh no! Nope. I can't bag them! No! Oh my god! There's so many wins! Oh god! Oh! I gotta run. I actually gotta run. I gotta run.
Oh my god. Quite possibly the worst enemy we could have got.
No, guys, trust. Just lock in. Just lock in. Just lock in. Oh, come
my god.
I'm actually so dead.
How is he already dead?
Because I have no movement. I can't run.
Oh my god! I'm dead.
No. One more time. One more time. Okay, that's good. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
Okay, Jelly.
We can outrun these guys.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! There's too many wisps. Oh
Oh god, no, please, man. I know. There's so many jellyfish. Why is it always exploding enemies? It's real quiet.
Dog, I'm locked in over here.
We're locked in, bro.
No, not locked in. Like it's quite literally so quiet because I turned off music.
Why in God's name would you ever commit such a heinous crime? Oh my goodness.
Oh,
He's dead.
Like this.
no!
Downside, there's like 50 million wisps.
So that didn't work out. You know, I'm actually gonna listen to you guys. I committed a heinous crime by turning off the music. Average accurate gameplay.
Average Gex gameplay.
I mean, it's not wrong. This is just Gex. If you take it the wrong way, that's your own damn fault. There is an actual video game called Gex the Gecko Detective.
What do you think I was What do you think I was referencing?
Gaze.
This guy's gotta get his head out of the gutter.
Oh man, I really do. I gotta get my head into accurate gameplay. And I have to cut out a lot of Eli's humming. That's
Bruh.
I'm joking, relax.
Yeah, shut the fuck up, bro. You're ruining the audio.
Oh, come on, man!
You're ruining the vibes, dude.
No, I'm doing it for the vibes.
Oh god.
I sure do
I'm
love
dead.
jumping.
He's dead.
How? What happened?
I got ganked by 3 stone golems shooting me in the face.
Oh my god, that poor man.
Thank you, Genesis. I love you.
Oh no!
I forgot!
Oh god.
The loaders, I'm dead. Not 2 of them. Oh, right, trying to cheat. Thank you. Why am I stuck? Why am I stuck? Why am I stuck? Alright. Oh, that was not.
That was worrying.
Don't mind me, guys. Just walking my dog. Don't mind me, bro. Just walking my dog.
Just walking my dog, you know, just...
You know how it is.
You know how it is. My dog taking me for a walk. No, give me... No, please. Please, man.
Please, speed.
Please, speed, I need this.
My cooldowns are kind of long.
Faraday's book!
That's you picked up a second light flux.
Brother. Your attack. Oh my.
I am John Bounce.
Brother.
I'm fucking flying. I'm tweaking!
Well, listen.
I'm fucking tweaking!
Yup. Oh god, we got Elder.
Average, accurate gameplay.
Bro, it's all over. Bro.
I can't stop! I keep going! Oh my god. Oh.
Oh no.
Oh, I'm gone. Where y'all died?
What were we fighting? What
Hold on.
do you have? You had 4 tougher times?
Why is he doing that? Oh, what happened?
Because I kept shooting him. Oh wait, I forgot about the soul. I think there's 5,000 blind pests in the sky.
Which I have now gotten rid of.
Bro, I'm perpetually slamming health.
Bro will not be coming down anytime soon.
Can we?
Never mind.
Oh, hell no.
Oh my goodness!
It's
He's
so
dead.
Joker.
We're so done. Shit. He's leeching. Get out of here!
Not!
Let me go!
You got this. You got this. I believe it.
I don't want this, bro. We gotta get a win, man.
We gotta get in. All right.
Son of a bitch.
That is so mine. That is so mine, and you can't take that from me.
This is my plasma shrimp. It was made for me. I like my keys crusty, bro.
Still not working here, man.
Bro's key is so crusted.
My key is so crusted.
Oh my motherfucker.
Language.
Die.
Language? Bro, I enforce it.
Oh, we're here again. God damn it. Alright, let's go. Please don't be Undertaker. Son of a bitch.
Why did you jinx it?
Pop the radar.
Yeah,
Oh, I just hit it. I just hit the teleporter.
You mother.
There's a clay Templar over there, and I don't much like their existence. Harvester scythe! Oh yeah, we're in business.
Oh yeah.
Bro didn't even realize he just got cash.
No.
I marked the fucking thing. Could you buy it since I am a paraplegic?
Oh, never mind.
Never fucking mind.
Guys. Good little tidbit. Don't melee bombs.
Give me your. I need your seed.
Silence.
I need your seed.
Bros, seed.
Please, seed, I need this.
Barrier initialized.
And he's dead. Oh shit. I'm on my own, bro. Fuck.
I fucking hate the mines, and then I hate when they're blazing.
Ah, I see the situation that you are in. May you require some assistance by adding some poison to the mix.
Mayhaps. Ow.
I shall add some more poison to the mix.
Add butter. Add butter.
Add butter. Add
Add
butter.
butter.
Yeah.
No way. Okay, here comes Nova. I might be close.
Oh, I'm so bummed.
Nope, I'm alive. He's dead.
Oh shit. Oh no. There's too much bleed.
What do you mean there's two?
I mean, there's too much bleed!
Oh, there goes the info report. What do you mean?
Oh, fuck.
That you could, G.
Oh. Yeah, no.
Oh, he's dead. Alright.
Alrighty then.
Guys, my gauntlet is broken.
How?
My arm. It's not coming back to me.
You have no arm now. You've lost your arm.
Oh my god, it's actually not coming back to him.
That's lost my arm.
Oh.
Look at this.
Oh.
My arm is gone.
A lot of
No,
the
no, no.
yellows kind of
That's-
suck.
No,
There's that glacial one. I want him dead.
Shatter.
Yeah, Shadowspin's good. Oh my goodness.
Oh,
Bro, what happened?
bro, what happened?
What happened?
I don't know, I just fucking died instantly. But like that, he didn't even swing at me!
Well, I'll be diddly darn damn.
I'll be diddly dang dang dang.
Hey,
Baggity that nigga do.
Call it cautious slug. Rhymes with bro.
Hold on, let my oh yeah. Oh yeah, everybody's gained fucking COVID up in here.
Plague.
Bro, my thunder
Call me
punch just killed
LeBron
all
because
of
I'm giving these guys cancer like fucking the three-pointer.
What?
them.
Just cut it off. Call me LeBron because I'm giving you everyone cancer. I'm over here like LeBron did not do that. Call me Chernobyl because I'm giving everyone cancer.
Do we want to go to Void Fields? It'll only
Yeah,
be
pretty
one
red.
enemy.
Yeah, it would only be one enemy. That would be gaming.
And it would give us a free red of it.
Watch it be disruptors.
Oh my god, I swear to god if it's fucking disruptors.
Patrick, I swear to God.
Patrick, I swear to God.
Patrick, I swear to god. Doohickey.
Yo,
Are we?
my
Yo, Mr.
fucking-
You
Mr.
jinxed it!
Sales
You
guy.
fucking.
Are we dead?
Dude, you
Bro.
jinxed it! No,
Actually, no, it's down. It's very down. I'm actually. gonna
what?
take one.
Hold on. Hold on.
Did that?
Was I low?
Were you low?
Wait, how did. Died? How did he
I
die?
died.
Oh, I'm dying. Why am I dying?
I don't know.
Where did my health go?
You gotta get like Shades Glass and you'll always heal when these guys do this.
What
Oh!
It happened to
They
me.
have dampeners!
Ah!
Oh.
No, you're out. No, it doesn't work for drones.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
You're outside the drone, bucko. Drone zone. Markers up over there.
Oh, hi.
Oh, hi!
Oh, that's right!
And
Oh,
they're
anyways.
And they're dead. Me and my dog.
Yeah. Hop on.
Yeah, we're ready.
Oh my god. Sorry,
Come on, man, let's get going. Let's go. Come on, let's go.
Just taking my dog for a walk, man.
I bet I could. Oh.
He just activated the cutscenes.
That fucking bird that I hate.
That is not a bird.
That is
That
not a
fucking eye
bird.
that I hate. I'm gonna bite your fucking eye out. Okay, we're good, boys.
Yeah, blocks all outside attacks that reduces skill cooldowns of allies within.
Yeah, I'm not
Within,
listening to
like,
anything that you're
25%.
saying. I'm not putting that in there.
Man, shut the fuck up. Hey, yo, what's up, bro?
Oh, okay. There's a fucking bomb aura around Eli right now.
What's not? So. Staying out of danger.
Please!
It's almost dead. Come on. Yeah, Eli'd be here. And he's dead. It's over. Alright, now kill him. Do it. Hang on.
I'm gonna munch
Hold
him.
on, hold on. No, no, no.
Do it.
Aw. He's just spit us out at stage 5.
Oh, sweet.
Gump! It's all Gump! Wait, no, that's Gip. I think that's Gip.
No, let's
Oh,
go.
no, it's Gump. It's Gump.
Oh my goodness, I need to get out of here.
No, Gump. I'm gonna press the Gump button.
Not the gup button! Fucking gup!
Oh.
Oh.
Yo, what's up?
Oh, what's up?
Yo, what's up, man? Yo, what's up,
What's up, homie?
Oh, ow!
Nice to know that my light touch was
Okay.
absolute shit.
Get his ass! Get his ass!
Get him! Alright, phase 1 down. What's up?
You're getting bitten.
Oh, never mind.
He's dead.
I stand corrected. Yeah.
Lock it in. You guys become.
I just shot a child.
Real? Proof?
Real. Proof the money in my pocket.
Proof the money that I sacked off their dead body.
Exactly. Yeah, I'm not doing too well in the HP.
It's percentage. Why? So the more HP you have, the faster you die out in the void. AK, get back up here.
I am.
D, please! No! Bro.
What?
D, how many lunar coins do you have?
47. I keep on paying for this stuff.
Bro, me and Eli probably have like 10.
I have 2.
That's an issue, not an issue me, okay?
You know,
You just gotta be faster.
You are so lucky. Artifact of Chaos isn't on. Sorry, hold on. The guy on the guitar is going absolutely insane right now. Oh my god, there's so many brass contraptions.
Dodgeball.
You can dodge a wrench, you can dodge a ball. Turns out I can't dodge neither.
look in the chat, Eli's fucking dead.
Yeah.
Why is he so tanky?
You're like a
What are
fly
we doing
buzzing
wrong?
around.
Why is he so strong? Help!
Do that.
Bro, y'all are not even facing the right fucking way.
This prison.
I mean, you're facing.
I'd win.
Game plan. I'm gonna try and stack as much Lunar Ruin onto him as I can.
I will never let fucking go of this goddamn bitch. Oh, I got a log for full sun.
Full sun. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. He's gonna do the
Oh fuck.
Hey, Eli.
Full sun, please. Full sun, please. I'm fighting for my fucking life.
No. What's hell? Ultra kill.
Oh, oh, ah! Full sun, please. Full sun, please.
Do it.
Got it.
There we go.
Oh, get away from there. Oh my goodness.
Let me in.
You need to move! Go on! Ah! Thank you, Dio!
Ouch. Oh, I died.
Oh,
All this no more.
Aurelia Knight, please, I fucking beg you. Fall Sun, you too. I gotta run. I gotta fucking run.
Yeah, come after me. Come after me.
Fall Sun! You will die today! It's our time, brothers! Please! Please, Speed, I need this! My son's kind of an ass! He's so close!
If
Yes!
We're up enough with steroids.
Yes!
Okay, there we go. Steroids win after all. Great.
Okay, never mind.
Oh my god!
What?
I got 5 reds.
What?
Guys, I don't feel so good.
What the fuck?
Oh, sorry. I have allergies.
I have
allergies. By the way, that's not what I meant. There's not a house here. What the fuck was that? Oh, it's a stink bug. What the hell? Oh, hold on. That actually scared the fucking shit out of me. It just landed on my arm and I fucking flung it across the room.
First key going in. Fucking panic.
I'm coming to save you! I missed. Oh, so dead, so dead. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh!
Looks like we're doing quite well. Oh shit, I forgot.
What? Oh! What just happened?
Just me forgetting about the fact that if I do a shrine, it summons enemies. So I just did 2 shrines of chance in quick succession. Stop shooting at me! Listen, man, I was at a shrine of chance. I was
Oh my
panicking.
god, you're about to be
Like,
bombed.
fucking gracious.
Goodness fucking Oh! Oh! Oh god! What just happened? What the actual fuck happened?
I don't feel so good. Oh my god.
Oh, I'm dead. Oh, I'm so dead. I'm so dead. I'm so dead. I'm so dead. Please. Oh!
Oh wait. Right.
What is there so many? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're chefing it up in here. Holy Gordon Ramsay, because I'm gonna start shouting slurs.
What?
No.
That's not what he did. I'm shaking and crying. Gordon Ramsay would never do that.
Oh Lord have mercy, you gotta run. No! You know what? Oh my god, this is a horrible idea. This as false sun was a horrible idea. Woo! Whoa! Sail star. Move! You gotta move! There's so many warriors! Ow! I got this, I got this, I got this, I got this. Oh no, I don't got this.
Round 2! See how many tries it takes us to get past stage 1.
Yeah. You know what?
Oh
I'm
my
down.
god, Lesser Wisp! Alan, we are so fucked.
We are so fucked.
Round 3!
Oh yeah, it's over.
Oh my goodness! Oh my god!
Wait. One more, let it ride. One more time.
Let it ride.
It can't be that bad a third time.
Surely not. Oh my god. Heck nah, we ain't making it off the planet, bro.
Please, what are you doing? Please, what are you doing? Please. Ah!
Laser light show.
Laser light show.
Dad, save that beetle. Or
What?
save one of the beetles.
Why?
Halcyon. See? Okay, well, I mean, we got to skip the entire sequence, so I'm happy about that.
Well, we don't have the keys.
We can reroll. The rest of the keys work.
I don't do anything.
There's 2 soulless wings!
Eli, it's all up to you.
Oh my goodness!
That was beautiful.
This guy's so fucked.
Watch us one-shot this guy.
You know what? You get the first hit. Try to get the first hit. He's got immunity.
Oh, there's 2 of them!
Wait, there's 2!
Okay, one's dead, one's dead, one's dead.
Are they both dead?
Are they?
Yes, they are. Maybe don't touch this beam of death. Is it still beam of death? Or... Yes, it is. That's still the beam of death.
3 items, I guess. Fun fact, first time I've ever, like, done these pillars before.
On the pillars?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because every time we fucking skip it.
I hope you have your seat of life selected.
I do. Oh, you know what's so funny?
Oh my goodness! I'm dead, by the way.
Oh. Fuck you.
I was powerless to stop them. Yo, could you bring me back? Thanks.
Oh. That was easy. Uh-oh. Well, that was easy.
Oh my... That's crazy.
Oh god, I almost just died. We made it!
Yeah!